Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Kane's Auto in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have their 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLS 550. This thing is gorgeous. 4.7 liter twin turbo V8, pushing out just about 450 horse. This thing hauls. Heated seats, ventilated seats, all the fixings. Aha! So, if you don't want to use the key, you can just put this cover right back in. Easy enough. Heated and cooled cup holders. I did that backwards. Wow, that's pretty cool. Alright. Without further ado, let's go ahead and take it for a drive. This one's basically as fully loaded as you could get. It has everything, radar cruise, all that fun stuff. And the big motor. Not the biggest, because I think you get a GLS 63, but a big V8 up front. Being twin turbo, it's quick, and it's got a ton of torque down low too. You got all the power you need right here. All those warnings that are going to come up just because of the stickers over the radar sensor. So it's like, I can't see anything. So as long as you just keep hitting OK, you're fine. Or take the sticker off, but I'm not taking a sticker off, so. know. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.